Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making vegan omelette with chickpeas flour and grits on the side with avocado. You can also make vegan omelette with spinach, as you can see. I will be listing my ingredients in the description box. Enjoy! This black salt powder is the key to making your omelette. It tastes like eggs. So right now I'm boiling my water for my grits, and I'm going to add my vegan butter and my salt to taste. Now I'm going to cut up my veggie for my omelette. Now I'm going to heat the pan to mix my veggies and my chickpeas flour to make my omelette. So while my veggie is cooking, I'm going to start making my coffee. Now it's time to mix the ingredients for my chickpeas vegan omelette. I forgot to tell you guys I add turmeric and nutritional yeast to the mix. Now you slowly add the water to the consistency you need to make your omelette. So this is the consistency you need to make your egg omelette. So now you add the mixture to your cooked vegetables. I like to add my spinach last because I don't want to overcook my spinach. There you have it, guys. My vegan chickpeas scrambled egg omelet. Looks delicious. So guys, I made this omelette sandwich for breakfast yesterday. It was delicious. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.